Good morning and welcome to another episode of Pep's Corner. Today we will begin a new book, Ice to Steam. We will read chapter 1. Our focus and purpose for reading is posted on the screen, so make sure you have your book in hand and are actively following along and reading. Remember, boys and girls, to reread a second time. So you are coming to shared reading fully prepared to engage in instruction. Let's begin. Page 4. Ice to Steam. Look at this picture of Earth. You can see the continent of Africa. The rest of what you see is water in the form of the ocean. Oceans, clouds, and ice. Solids, liquids, and gases. The oceans are made of liquid water mixed with salt and other chemicals. The clouds you can see are tiny drops of liquid water floating in the air. There is ice around the poles because it is very cold there. Ice is solid water. It is the same material as liquid water, but it has different properties because it is a solid. The air around Earth is a gas. It contains water vapor. This is water that has become a gas. We cannot see water vapor. We can describe all the things around us as solids, liquids, or gases. Each kind of material has different properties. Solids have fixed shapes. They have fixed volumes too. You would need force to try to change solids. Liquids do not have fixed shapes. You can pour them. Liquids have fixed volumes. Gases do not have fixed shapes or volumes. Gases spread out to fill the space they are in. Ice is a solid material. Changing state. Ice, liquid, water. The water vapor are 3 different states of water. You can change water from one state to another by changing the temperature. If you heat ice, it burns into liquid water. This is called melting. Melting happens when the temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius or higher. This is the melting point of water. If you cool liquid water to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius or lower, it becomes a solid. This is called freezing. The melting and freezing points of material are the same temperature. How it changes state. Please look at the diagram on the bottom of page 6. Invisible steam. Steam is an invisible gas. You cannot see steam. What you see when a kettle boils is actually tiny drops of water. Liquid water can turn into a gas at any temperature. We say it evaporates. Evaporation happens fastest when the water is heated to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. 100 degrees Celsius. This is the boiling point of water. When water is boiling, we call the hot water vapor steam. When steam or water vapor cools down, it turns back to liquid. This is called condensing, or you might know as condensation.